guys, what's up? How doing? Okay, we are doing an interesting video, guys, about POCO M3 phone, guys. Yo, that's the newest model in the world. Okay, let's sanitize it first. Okay. Oh, it's pretty heavy, right, guys? Okay, now we're going to. What's up? How doing? Okay, guys. We are doing an interesting video about POCO M3 phone, guys. This is the newest model. Okay, this is actually my phone. My dad brought it from Flipkart. Okay, now let's open it, guys. We are going to from here. I opened it, guys. Oh, very cool, guys.
Careful, Devansh.
Oh my gosh, I love this phone, guys. Be very careful when you unbox phone, guys, because the screen breaks. Get it. Guys, I don't know why they put this tape 2 times in the packaging, guys. Don't know why they put this.
Caesar తీసుకొని కట్ చేయరా.
Mom, it won't even come with this. Okay. Now let's take it up. Okay.
Careful.
Oh, I'm so good. Okay. Let's put this aside and take out the.
Yeah, ta-ta-da.
Oh
New
my gosh.
phone.
Mm-hmm.
Show me screen. నాకు చూపించు.
Yo, it's super cool, yo. Okay. Let's put the phone right here and let's go to the charger point. Okay. This here. We got the charger, guys. This is the adapter and this is the charging wire, guys. Okay. Now, Shanvi, did you like this one? Okay. Of course, I'm not gonna give you this.
Show me phone.
It's like
Which
this.
company?
POCO.
Back side చూపించు.
POCO.
Show me like this, man.
Okay.
Give me phone.
Super cool.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go on
మీ స్టిక్కర్
this
ఏంటమ్మా?
side. Okay. Oh, they give the safety cover, guys, for the phone. What color? Okay.
In this box, we have one soft case
That.
and we have a travel adapter
Oh, that.
and the USB cable. And the back side, this cover is so nice, guys. They have well designed, which has a 48 megapixel camera. And the features of this phone comes with 128 GB storage with a 6 GB RAM.
Dad, put this in the cover.
I'm switching on, guys.
Yeah. I'm gonna
Just
switch
see
on.
the display,
Oh.
which has Android OS. This phone comes with a lot of features. It has a huge battery, 6000 mAh and 48 megapixel AI triple camera, and the processor is Snapdragon 662 octa-core processor, and the display size 6.53, and the front glass is Gorilla Glass.
What on earth?
The features are very nice.
ఏం క్లాస్ చెప్పిండు మా డాడీ?
Gorilla Glass. No.
So I have selected English language. India. Now it is starting.
Your dad, I'm going to show you this. Dad, please. Dad, put the cover. Dad, put the cover, Dad.
Wait, yeah.
You want to put it? The packaging is also good. And it's very tough to even remove these packages.
I have accepted the user license agreement, guys.
సీజర్ పడే సీజర్ పడే
I am skipping this step
ఐసు గుచ్చుకుంటారు పడండి
and I agree.
Yo, where's the finger?
And the setup is completed, guys. It's loading all the applications.